In this video we will find out if the trading strategy, which I call the pivot point supertrend strategy, as described in this video, is any good for cryptocurrency trading. I will briefly discuss the indicators used and the entry and exit signals, and I will also show you the actual scientifically proven backtest results that will inform you whether this to try out with your real money or not. The original source of this strategy is this YouTube video, where the creator apparently removed all his indicators after he found this one single trading indicator that actually worked. So if you like this strategy, then all credits go to the maker of that video. The strategy uses the following trading indicators on TradingView. The pivot point supertrend indicator for determining the overall trend in the market, made by Lonesome the Blue, and the SMI MFI indicator, made by Andre007, for the actual buy and sell signals. And here we have to check that the moving average of the SMI MFI line is set with a length of 8. Now the signals for the long trades are as follows. The pivot point supertrend indicator must be green, the SMI MFI line must have gone below its dynamic red line, indicating an oversold condition, and then a bullish crossover must occur where the SMI MFI line crosses above its signal line, triggering a green dot buy signal. Wait for the SMI MFI line to close back above its dynamic line again, and then enter a long position at the open of the new candle following this confirmation. Now the stop loss has to be set below the supertrend line, and you should set a profit target at a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. The signals for the short trades are reversed, so the pivot point supertrend indicator must be red, the SMI MFI line must have gone above its dynamic blue line, indicating an overbought condition, and the bearish crossover must occur when the SMI MFI line crosses below its signal line, triggering a red dot signal. Now wait for the SMI MFI line to close back below its dynamic line again, and then enter a short position at the open of the new candle following this confirmation. And for short positions, place the stop loss above the supertrend line and also set a profit target at a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And these are the rules we live by if we're going to trade with this strategy. Now by the way, if you want to have this strategy Pine code for TradingView or want to have the Python script for use with your trading bot, then you can download this all from my Patreon site. Not only will you support me by becoming a patron, but I also have some other benefits as well for you, like access to my ebook about algorithmic trading for beginners, which you can also buy on Amazon of course. I have also a special welcome bonus for all the people that want to use the new Bybit.eu trading platform for European citizens that want to be compliant with the European MiCAR policies. Click on my affiliate link in the comment section below and deposit your initial trading money, and then you will receive these additional bonuses for free. Now as for the trading results of the automated backtesting engine, trading on these 50 pairs over 5 years, I got the following results. The 4-hour time frame seems to have the best cards in hand to give you the highest gains overall with the least risks taken. If I upload the backtest log file that comes from the backtest engine and upload it to my specially made backtesting analyzer site, then we get the full picture of this strategy's performance. It produces a huge hypothetical 27,000 USDT with a win rate of 77.8%, which is really high for a trading strategy like this, and a profit factor of 1.85. Now you'll have to take into consideration that there was also a maximum drawdown of 41% experienced, so this could be a risk. But overall the equity curve looks very nice, a very steady upwards going slope. If I take Binance Coin for example to see how the equity curve looks on a good performing pair, then you see that some trades can have short bursts like earlier on the chart here, but in this specific case a trade can also last very long and might ride a long but a steady upward going trend. Remember that trades exit at a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, so the reward was not reached after a long period here. Now the Pine script code was a little bit harder to create for TradingView, because TradingView also have some limitations when it comes to showing all the trading signals, or maybe I'm doing something wrong here, but I think I managed to recreate the strategy here correctly as well too. If I look on the charts on multiple pairs, I can verify my assumptions that this strategy is not always applicable to all the assets, which was also the case with the backtesting engine. Now this is contrary to what mostly is said in these YouTube videos, where it's stated that the strategies can be applied everywhere without any troubles. So keep this information in mind when you watch a trading strategy video the next time. You can see that some pairs have trouble making profits with this strategy and some are really profitable with it. It also depends a little bit on which direction you are trading to, because pairs like Binance here have better results when you only trade longs here, while others like Apt have better results trading shorts. And in this case, Bitcoin and Doge have no problem using both trade directions and making money with the trading rules given. So when it comes to using this trading strategy, I think that we can agree that the original statement where all the indicators are removed except these two could be a valid one. But to be honest, just trading the super trend only can give you a baseline to trade on that can provide you with even better results, because you just ride these super trends and do not depend on additional signals to wait for. Also, using risk to reward settings are a good way to take profits after a certain goal is reached, but it also negates the use of a long trend that might be giving even better results in the long end. And I guess it would be hard to see that you stepped out of your trade after you reached the goal and then see that the pair does another 10x on the charts. But this is the challenge of trying to find the best trading strategy with its accompanying trading rules. It all depends on your risk appetite. Now, please remember to do your own research too and do not take my results for granted, because I can only show you my backtesting results and these are only indicative of what might be possible, no guarantees whatsoever. And if you like this video, then please click the like, subscribe or support me by becoming a Patreon member, and do not forget to claim your welcome bonuses on the bybit.eu platform with my affiliate link too. Do not leave free money on the table. And in the meantime, I will continue my search for the best trading strategy and I will see you in the next video. So, for now, goodbye.